Just what you want when you do your makeup. Pink eyes.
Hi friends! So I saw a couple weeks ago this video that Rach Loves did. She created a look based off of a face chart that her 3-year-old drew. And I got to thinking, I have a not 3-year-old, I have a 4.5-year-old who loves makeup. But let's see what happens. Today we are going to get Violet to create a makeup look for us. I'm a little scared because I know this kid's style and it is not following the makeup norms. Let's go.
Hi kids, today we're going to make a makeup chart.
Violet's gonna make a makeup chart for me.
I'm going to practice the makeup and Mommy's going to copy me.
Yep, you're gonna do the makeup look and then I'm gonna do it on my face. Get your crayons. What colors are you gonna do?
All of them.
All of them. Here's the face chart. So you gotta do the eyes, the lips, the cheeks.
And the whole thing.
And the whole thing.
I'm going to use red for lipstick.
Okay.
Hey, red in here. Oh,
Look, tree red. Oh, is it pink?
it's okay. Lipstick can be pink sometimes.
Yeah, it can.
It's not green or orange. Can
It could be any color you want.
Lipstick can be all of the color.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to give her some pink eyes too, okay?
Oh, why?
Good. She'll look pretty.
What color are you gonna do?
Purple.
Ooh, purple. No, it goes on the top of her eyes. It goes up here. This is her eyelid.
Her eyelid. Do we have any brown in here? Because eyebrows are brown.
Love it.
You know, an eyeshadow, you can even do it on the bottom too.
Just purple?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, her skin. How about in our nose, we'll do boogers.
Okay.
Okay, fine. That's the nose. Okay. Hi. Know what I said, kid?
What?
I'm a nose.
Your nose. Is she gonna have blush on her cheeks?
Ooh, I wonder what color this is. Ooh, it's a blush color. This color is pretty.
Pretty.
Let me say, kid. Pretty. That's what I said. Pretty. 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 Okay, let's just get her chin orange. And then that's it.
Okay.
Okay, now.
Wow. Let me see. I really like the eyebrows.
The eyebrows are colored
And the red eyes. Looks good.
pink.
Oh, sorry, pink eyes. Just what you want when you do your makeup. Pink eyes. So now I'm gonna do this look on my face. Okay. All right, so this one about as I expected. It's a little bit more normal except, you know, for pink eye. Look at those eyebrows. All I need to do is just go back in time with those eyebrows in high school. That's what my eyebrows look like. Let's start with those eyebrows. I'm gonna use the brow blade from Urban Decay. Oh boy. All right, so we got kind of like a fling going and then just like straight. Yeah. And the other one has like this cross thingy here and then straight. I'm gonna take the Brow Endowed. I'm gonna take the primer and kind of just put it on the ends here to sort of knock them out a little bit. Because them brows that Violet has created are very thin. But I don't really feel like covering up my brows, so we're just gonna kind of improvise. Lighten them up a little bit. So the main color we have here is purple. The only purple I think is worth using here is the Sugar Pill one, Poison Plum. It's the best. Okay, I'm gonna start with, I think this eye is gonna be easier. There's like a line here. Yeah. Okay, yep. It goes like way out here. We got some like squiggles. I guess this one could go like a little up. Squiggles down here. I think that's about right. And then underneath the eyes, like way down here, there's just like a line. Yeah, I think that looks right. The other side though. Oh boy. Okay, so this goes like literally over my nose, loops around a couple times, And then again, we got some up lines over here. We got some down lines over here. I feel like very abstract, artistic. And every time that Violet does her makeup, she hates it on her eyes though. She loves playing with it. She loves lips. She loves doing lip gloss. She will take eyeshadows and stuff and they go everywhere else on her face. So it was kind of funny seeing her do this because first thing that she did was the lips, which did not surprise me in the least because again, she loves wearing lip stuff. Anytime that she sees me with some, she just loves it. And then again, we have some more here. This one's a little bit less though. Yeah, I think that looks good for the eyes, yeah? I'm trying to get like the exact scribbles right. Some more here. This one has like a weird like thing, like a really crazy downturn. I feel like the eyebrows need to be a little bit better though. This one kind of like scoops up. Let's move on to blush. Now the blush is very interesting because we've got two specific shapes here. I need to find the brightest blush that I own because I feel like Juvia's Place might have what I need. Okay. This one has one, Bori. This is the Masquerade. So on this eye, it's like way up here in like a little circle. And then on this side, here. And then I want to take an angled brush to get those fine details. There's like a circle thing over here, scribbles. Over here we got like a little bit more lines. Yeah, there we go. That's it. Yes. Should I do that green part? She's got like green on the nose and on the cheek, and I know she was trying to do it like as if it was skin, but that is not a skin color. So it's like right here on the nose. Oh yeah, it was supposed to be boogers, right? Oh my god. A little bit over here somewhere. And then we've got orange on the chin. Okay, lips, the last thing. Okay, this looks like a good one. This is Hijinks from Sugar Pill. I'm gonna try my best to make this look as accurate as possible. That looks about right, yeah? Okay. All right, I want her to see. Ready?
Yeah.
Did I do a good job?
Yeah.
Does it look like your face chart?
Yeah. You look funny. Like a clown wearing lipstick.
I look like a clown wearing lipstick?
I wish I had makeup like that.
You wish you had makeup like this?
Yes.
Really?
This blush.
Yeah. Oh, are you copying me?
I'm copying.
Oh, you're doing the look. I didn't realize.
I'm copying.
Perfect. I can't believe we match.
Wait. I mean lipstick because you have lipstick.
Oh, you're right. Okay.
Okay, I got this.
Every time you put lipstick on, you hide your lips.
There.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe we match. Let's see. Do we match? Let me see. Yes! We look so good!
I want to keep it like this forever.
Well, we gotta go to Dad's show today. I don't think that we should wear our makeup looks to Dad's show. What do you think?
Please.
You-
We'll look amazing there.
We'll look amazing at Dad's concert.
Yeah, we have to do this, Mommy.
Well, thank you for making my face chart and for matching me. You look amazing. Okay, you want to say bye to the kids?
Bye, kids.
Bye. We'll see you later.
Okay.